This is the story of Bentonite Performance Minerals. It is the story of a company, its people, and the products they make. It all depends on a unique swelling clay called bentonite. Our story begins here, under a big sky in western North America. The picture was different 65 million years ago. This was the bottom of a shallow inland sea. Massive pieces of the Earth's crust were moving, unleashing volcanoes and releasing tons of ash into the air. In time, the ash fell to Earth. Some of it landed in that shallow sea. The sea is gone now. It left behind beds of sodium clay we call bentonite. Vast deposits of this clay are found near the Bighorn and Black Hill Mountains of present-day Wyoming, South Dakota, and Montana. This is recognized as the highest quality sodium bentonite in the world. Bentonite Performance Minerals began to mine Wyoming sodium bentonite more than 90 years ago. In the decades since, we have identified and acquired large deposits of high-quality sodium bentonite, enough to sustain mining for years to come. Mining begins when heavy equipment is used to remove the topsoil, or overburden, exposing the bentonite ore. Soil is preserved for reclamation work later. The ore layer underneath can be thick or thin. Special care is taken to reduce contamination of the ore clay. Specialized hauling equipment transports the raw clay materials from the mine to the processing plant. Bentonite Performance Minerals operates 2 processing plants with a total capacity of 1.25 million tons annually. The Colony plant is a 280-acre site at the foot of the Black Hills. It operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The Colony facility can process 580,000 tons of bentonite a year. More than 150 bentonite products are made at this facility. The Lovell plant is at the foot of the Bighorn Mountains. The 80-acre facility borders a national wildlife habitat. The Lovell plant can produce up to 700,000 tons of bentonite a year. At the processing plants, the bentonite is divided and stockpiled according to a classification system. Processing of the clay begins by moving raw ore from the stockpile to a large crusher, where it is broken into pieces 2 to 4 inches across. A conveyor then moves the ore through a rotary dryer to remove excess moisture. Then comes another crushing and screening. This process produces various grades of granular and powder products. Automated equipment packages and finishes products to fit the customer's requirements. Options range from small bags to large super sacks. Bulk material is loaded directly into trucks or rail cars. Bentonite can be found in hundreds of products used in manufacturing, agriculture, construction, packaging, industrial and household cleaning, paint, and food and beverages. This unique swelling clay is used to confine water, lining water retention areas, stock and landscaping ponds, and small backyard water features. The clay is used to make iron ore pellets for transport to the smelter. Bentonite is listed by the Food and Drug Administration as GRAS, generally recognized as safe, and can be certified as kosher, halal, and vegan. Our products are approved or certified by organizations like the National Sanitation Foundation, Safe Feed, Safe Food, and the Organization of Wine and Vine. Bentonite Performance Minerals products are tested at all steps of the manufacturing process. Common tests include measuring moisture, particle size distribution, viscosity, fluid loss, and swell index. By combining rigorous testing, extensive knowledge of bentonite clay, and our industry-leading analytical capabilities, Bentonite Performance Minerals will meet your expectations for quality and performance. Sustainability is integral to Bentonite Performance Minerals' overall mission and critical to the success of our business. We remain committed to our guiding principles for sustainability, which serve as the framework for Bentonite Performance Minerals' environmental, social, and governance program. Bentonite Performance Minerals is focused on reducing environmental impacts and enhancing the economic and social well-being of our employees and the communities where we live and work. Bentonite Performance Minerals' goal is to collaborate and design sustainable solutions that maximize value for our customers. To learn more, visit us at bentonite.com.